Hi, I'm Kyle with Paul C. Buff, and today we're doing a shoot with one of ClotStudios' hand-painted backdrops, and we're going to be putting together 3 elegant lighting setups. For our first shoot, our model wanted to go all out, and so she brought in an ornate antique fan and a really elegant, kind of sparkling sequin dress. We wanted to showcase the backdrop itself while referencing the vibe of classic fine art portraiture. We wanted our light to be pretty simple, so all we used was an 86-inch silver interior PLM with diffusion fabric, and we used an optical snoot off to the side with no gobo to just add a little bit of highlight onto our backdrop. The way it came out is pretty simple, clean lighting, but the backdrop and the dress still both get a shine. For our second shot, we wanted to do something a little bit moodier. We used 2 10 by 36 inch strip boxes as hair light to just give her a little bit of separation. Our key light was a Link flash unit with a 22-inch white interior high output beauty dish, and we put it up high on a boom arm, angled down a bit. We wanted a little bit of extra light to separate our model from the backdrop while not necessarily overlighting the backdrop itself. We really kind of wanted to lean into the look of, kind of 60s, 70s film photography, and we kind of pushed that through by adding a little bit of grain and texture in our edits. For our final shot, we put our PLM back on and we turned our strip boxes against the backdrop directly. And what this allowed us to do was get pretty even lighting all across our model while still letting our backdrop stand out. We kind of wanted a healthy mix of both worlds from our first setup and our second setup by turning our strip boxes onto the backdrop, but by maintaining a similar editing style to our second image. We feel that we really kind of captured the look of both in a single set of images. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below for more content.